So what's the deal with these raised beds you're telling me about? What's the big deal about them? Metal beds. They're metal. What's the deal with these metal beds opposed to your wooden beds? Okay, so what is the deal with these metal beds?
Okay, Art and I have been talking about doing a review video on, sorry, we are filthy from doing landscape work all day long. So
Road hard and hung up wet, for sure. Look at us. Look at us. We're soaked. I'm soaked. So the water hose blew up on us. Okay, never mind.
It did. It really did. Okay, so we've been talking about doing a comparison video. We've been telling you guys about this for a long time, but we've been talking about doing this comparison video for over a year now. We were going to compare a Birdie's bed and a Vigo metal raised bed and do that comparison for you guys. And now all of a sudden, everybody is selling metal raised beds. We had even thought about doing a competition video to see who could, you're not in the frame.
I'm not in the frame, am I?
We were even talking about doing a competition video.
See, even he wants to know what's going on with the metal beds. No.
Rocky's got to give his 2 cents. What are you doing?
What do you want?
What are you doing down there, mister?
All right.
So we had been talking about doing a competition to see who could put the bed together the fastest and everything. Now, everybody is selling these raised beds. And we want to be able to support all of our favorite creators, but we only have so much space.
And money.
Yeah.
That takes a lot for those beds.
Yes, it does. You keep moving out of the frame.
I do.
But it has always been our mission. Rocky is just really being vocal right now. Can you guys hear that?
Probably so. He's loud.
I know. It has always been our mission to show you guys how to save the most money on home and garden DIY projects. So over the next few weeks, we are going to be doing a ton of research and comparing prices and trying to figure out all of the differences between all of the different varieties of metal raised beds. And then we'll come back to you guys and let you know what we figured out. We do still want to purchase 2 raised beds for that area in our south garden. Elijah must be home. But we're going to do a bunch of research first and wait for an awesome sale of some sort.
Sale would be good.
Yeah.
If there's anyone out there that would like to donate a bed, try it out. We'll be glad to give you a review on it, tell you how it grows our vegetables and so forth.
How it grows our vegetables.
See, I'm sitting here thinking the science behind that metal bed, and the only thing I can think of is because of heat.
The what? The
heat.
Science behind it? It's
right.
just
the heat soil. The metal. It would retain heat more than the wood, would it not? That's why we don't use metal on certain things at work, because it will retain the heat and get too hot.
There's no science behind it.
It's a metal bed.
Right.
Okay, versus a wooden bed.
Yeah.
Okay, so would some plants do better in the metal bed because you use a heating pad to start germinating, some vegetables and whatnot?
Yeah, but so, I don't think the bed has anything to do with it. It's just that it's taller than they're taller than our wood beds. They're going to last longer than our wood beds.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll just have to wait and see. I think the wood beds are great, but I can't wait to get one of these Birdie beds, or what's the other Vigo beds?
Birdie or Vigo or gosh, all these. I mean, MI Gardner is now doing some,
and there's going to be more because it's just basically.
It's a trend.
It's a trend. It's a tin horn that's power coated and shaped into a bed.
I think it's probably a lot better than a tin horn, but we'll see. We'll find out.
We will find out.
Okay, so in the meantime, let us know if you guys have any experience with the metal raised beds, or if you've done any research, or which ones. Just let us know what you think and what you know about them.
Any feedback would be great.
Yeah.
You can kind of use your comments as a gauge to what to look forward to. So.
Yes. Yep. And then we will be back in a couple of weeks with our updated research, and hopefully within a couple of weeks we can go ahead and purchase 2 different ones that we can do a side-by-side comparison. but it's all in an effort to do the research for you guys and save you the most money, so that if you are interested in purchasing one of those kinds of beds, you can make sure that you are getting the very best deal, the very best price, and the very best product.
And
for
an
that
honest
price.
opinion. I mean,
Yes.
we'll tell you up front if it's not something
Exactly.
that's. Well, anyway, you'll
Yep.
get
We
an
will never
upfront.
recommend something that we don't fully believe in, and we are all